Hello everyone, my name is Suraj and you're watching DevInnoTech. Finally guys, I'm back with my another video. Now you guys have been waiting for Windows 11 since so long. There have been numerous updates which shows that my system is compatible for Windows 11, your PC doesn't meet minimum requirements. There were so many updates, okay, and even people were using Windows 11 developer mode and they were updating the Windows to Windows 11. But finally guys, the Windows 11 is here. You can download now and install into your latest systems. I'll show you what you have to do. First you need to go to check for updates. There you can find that my update is here. Upgrade to Windows 11 is ready and it's free. Get the latest version of Windows with a new look, new features and enhanced security. Now here finally we have got the update for Windows 11 and installing. I'm going to install this, and after installing I'll show you in the next video that what are the next features in Windows 11, what are the main features in Windows 11, why Windows 11 is important, why Windows 11 is not important. So guys, stay tuned, and this was all for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video, and yay, Windows 11 is here. Thank you.